Davo here from XO2, and I'm the creator of Wow Fast Dry. It's a glass and shiny surface cleaner. This stuff here took 10 years to develop, and there was a few points along the way where I nearly gave up. And that's because there's a few professional products on the market that are actually really good. And so it was hard to get up to that standard. We did get there. It took many years to get there, but that's just not good enough. Our goal here at XO2, when we're developing products, is to make it 20% better than the best. And that's why it took an extra few years to get to this point where we're stoked about the product today. There was a time I was driving home and I had that light bulb moment, and it was where I thought, well, look, the way we can make this already great product even greater is by reducing the amount that people would use, saving some money, right? We all love that. And just to make it easier to wipe. And there's a raw material I knew of, and so we used it and we nailed it eventually. It's called NanoGlide technology. Up to 25% reduction in usage, which is great and easier to wipe. So that's the story on how this took 10 years and why I nearly gave up on it. It's the best glass and shiny surface cleaner on the market, 100% guaranteed. And hey, look, I hope you love it. My goal was always to make you say wow when you use this product, and I'm confident that you will. You really need to get your hands on this if you haven't already, because you're missing out. Hey, make sure also, if you're wanting a good cloth to go with it, this works great with it. It's the XO2 microfiber glass and shiny surface cloth. This product works fantastic without it, but it does work even better with it. So make sure you grab some of this, grab your cloth, get out there, have a go, and I hope you love it. If you've got any more questions, you need a hand with anything else, make sure you get in touch. Thank you.